All right, I'm going to show you how to factory reset, specifically if your child created some type of sign-on pin and they forgot. For example, we don't know what his code is here. He forgot it, and Google support and all that contact stuff, it's just thoroughly confusing. So here is how to factory reset it. So what you're going to do is hold the top and the bottom button, the gray and the black. You're going to hold them together, and it's going to vibrate, and then you're going to let go of the top and make sure the bottom button is still held down. So I got both pressed down. I'm going to wait for the vibrate. Still waiting. Felt it. Let go there. Okay. It's going to bring you to that menu here. And what you're going to go is go down to recovery mode. So you're going to hit the down button until you hit recovery mode. And then you're going to hit the top gray button. And you're going to see a weird logo called no command. And then it's going to even get weirder. Why do they make this so difficult? I don't know. No command. So I'm going to hold the top gray button down and I'm going to swipe up. And it's going to go to another very odd menu. Swipe up. Okay. I'm going to get a list of options here now. I'm going to scroll down. Well, I can't scroll here. I'm going to hit down with the black button and look for my wipe data factory reset. I'm going to hit the gray button. Cancel or factory reset date, I'm going to hit down. Factory data reset and hit the gray button. It's going to wipe the data. And then from there, you should be able to probably have to re-register your device on the Fitbit Ace app. But this at least tells you how to factory reset it because it's really weird. Good luck.